recessions are necessary. Slowdowns are necessary.
And now more people believe the recession is here. That tops tonight's Your Money, Your Business. Here is News Channel 8 and Portland Business Journal reporter Joe Smith.
And good evening, Laurel and Tracy. It seems to be one of those words, if you keep talking about it, will it eventually come true? That seems to be the case with the economy and a recession. This week's week report about service businesses is causing some experts to declare the nation is already in a recession. It's busy this noon hour in the kitchen of the old spaghetti factory in southwest Portland. In the dining room, no doubt some lunch conversation is turning to the economy and the thought of recession.
Recession is a reaction to an excess, a cleansing and a wringing the excesses out that have been built.
George Hosfield, Chief Investment Officer at Ferguson Wellman Capital Management, says thank the real estate meltdown for that. He says being in or out of a recession is still arguable.
The building consensus that we're in one right now.
A grim report out from the Institute of Supply Management indicates service industry jobs declined for the first time in nearly 5 years. The service sector accounts for the majority of the U.S. economy.
If people feel less wealthy, feel less confident in their job, feel less confident in their future prospects, then they do tend to rein in their spending.
Back at the spaghetti factory, its 39 restaurants nationwide are facing higher operating costs, up 8 to 10% this year.
We serve spaghetti, so when the wheat market goes up, that's what we serve.
Marketing Vice President Chris Hines says menu prices are up slightly too, but with caution.
If they feel like it's too much, that we charge too much, they're not going to come back.
We think we might see a little, softening.
At the downtown Hilton, General Manager Tracy Marks is coming off of a record year. He says it will take at least 6 months before his 783-room hotel feels the effects of a recession, but he has a plan.
If we have a 5 or 10 or 15% slippage in business, we'll adjust all of our operating expenses to mitigate that loss in business.
And despite the pain of recession, perceived or real, it's part of the economic cycle.
It's necessary in order for the economy to again expand later.
Some economists expect the Federal Reserve to once again lower interest rates by spring to help spur a quicker recovery. And the effect of the slowing economy is trickling down. Economists say the wealthy are cutting back on their discretionary spending, and that's hurting those in service jobs. Companies like Tiffany, Coach, and American Express all report slowing growth. That's having a direct effect on people like limo drivers, premium coffee entrepreneurs, tailors, and sales clerks who earn commissions.